ding dong, a lang a lang a lang, boom ba do, ba do ba do ba ba. Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream.
Alright, so I'm out here working on the fuel tank today on the Plymouth. Here's what I'm going to do. I've got a 65 Mustang fuel tank that is going to go into the Plymouth floor. The 65 Mustangs, the top of the tank was part of the floor of the trunk. So what I'm going to do is the same thing in my Plymouth, since it's got a large flat trunk. What I'm going to do is cut a hole about 31.5 by 21.5, I believe it is. I'm going to have to remeasure it. But then I'll cut the hole and then just set this tank into it, put sealer around it, and bolt it down to the floor. Show you what I got here. See, this is the trunk of the Plymouth, and you can see how big and flat it is. I'm going to just peel the carpet back, just cut a rectangular hole right here, drop the Mustang tank right in it. Still got to bolt it down and seal it up, but that's how it's going to be.
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above.